I'm going to show you how to make instant udon. Tempura udon noodle soup flavor. First thing, you boil the water. Once the water is boiling, you open the packet and see what we got here. Then you put the seasoning in. Then you need to get a fork. And then wait for the water to finish boiling. Then you put the hot water in the soup. Like this. And then you let it cook for 5 minutes. Put it in the cover. And then set timer 5 minutes. And then use quick start. After 5 minutes, you should be ready to eat. So this is how you make a tempura udon flavor noodle soup. Like and subscribe to my channel if the video is helpful.